Hello and welcome back to another netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. I appreciate you joining me today for episode 12 and the ValueAt with a nested match function. I hope that you'll find this beneficial because it is awesome because it's in Quantrix. I have here a very basic model. I have quarter and year going down here, and I have some parameters here. And what I want to be able to do is, based off of whatever quarter I enter here, I want to be able to put in a number here and go back that many quarters and find out what the first quarter is. And how I do that is by using the ValueAt match functionality of Quantrix. So first, the ValueAt function. I would say first quarter is equal to ValueAt. What is my list this quarter? And what is my index? Well, how it works is I can put any number in here, and it works much like you would expect an index function to work. It goes out and it would bring in Q1 of 2014, Q2 of 2013, sorry, as that is the second entry within this data set. And how I know that, and how I can surmise that very quickly of what number it is in the data set, again, is by using the hashtag QTR-year. And you can see if I were to put in 5 here, I would expect to see the ValueAt function to return back Q1 of 2014, which it does. Awesome. So based off of this, though, I want to go back 6. And how I do that is I have to create it. For the index, I have to use a match statement. So I'd get rid of the 5 and I would write match. And I'd do that on another line because that's the beauty of Quantrix. I'm able to write one formula, one function here, and then if I'm nesting something, I can go ahead and add it on to the next line. That helps me keep things clean. And what do I want to look up? I want to look up the last quarter to display. What range do I want to search? Let me mouse in there. What range do I want to search? I want to search this guy, and I want it to be an exact match, but I want to go back 6 months, not 6 months, but 6 quarters, and I apologize if I say months, I'm really meaning quarters. I want to go back this many quarters. So once I do that, you can see that if I find Q4 of 2015, which is right here, and I go back 6 periods, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I get the Q2 of 2014 as it displays here. If I were to change this to say 2 periods back from Q4 2015, if I go 2 periods back, I'd go the Q2 2015. And that's what happens automatically with Quantrix Modeler. So that is how you would use a ValueAt with a nested match in Quantrix. If you have any questions about ValueAt or match or anything else in regards to Quantrix Modeler, feel free to reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. I'd love to speak to you about Quantrix and help you with your needs. You can also follow me on YouTube at Quantrix Authority and at Twitter at Quantrix Author. I love Quantrix, and please join me again for another netcast of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.